Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the render workspace and the appearance tool. So first we need something for it to change its appearance, so we're just going to be making a simple box. Please pick the plane between the green and red lines, and 50 by 50 millimeters is good. Just a simple cube will do, so 50, 50, 50. So I'm going to show you how to use the appearance. In other words, you can just press A on your keyboard, it will pop up, but it won't really work in the design workspace. So if you go to this is, and it says over here, change workspace. We're in design right now since we're creating and modifying different objects. Now I want you to go down and go to render. And you can see it generates realistic renderings of the design. So I want you to click on that. And now we see all these new things. And we don't have the grid anymore. It's just like that. This gallery also comes up, so you can just mind that just getting bothering you. So now I want you to go to appearance. And right now we have steel. It can be whatever one you want. If it wants to be cloth, liquid, metal, let's try metal. And there are many different types. Then let's say I want this bronze. You have to click on it, then drag it. And now it's bronze. If you want it to be paint, they got a few more paints. Let's try this white. Just click and drag. And now it's painted white. These are Fusion 360, they are operated that way. If you want to go to yours, if you have any, or if you have any favorites, you can do that. And it says in some materials you have to download, and then you can use, since it says show download materials here. So you can basically just look around here. If there's, oh, I never seen this stone. Let's try it. Granite. Wow. And as I was saying before, there are lots of things here. Like nearly too many. If you click on every single folder, it's going to be a long time. There's some glass too. Let's try this. So now it's see-through. Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it looks completely black or something, which is fine. If you want to see the beginning one, it already turns out steel, so you can just take that. And you can't just render one object, you can render several objects at the same time. Because you see, they made these two, the light bulbs or whatever they're called in this picture, different, and then they changed that. Then the other one, whoever made this used steel or such. So there are lots and lots of different materials you can choose from. And this comes in handy when you actually want to simulate a object. Like what it's made of, and render comes in handy a lot. I don't use render that much since I design more, but you can always add more if you want to see how it actually looks in real life. So if you go back to design, it doesn't really show up because I changed it back to steel. It doesn't show up as that. And if you do plan a 3D print, it might be a different material than you expect, because I know someone who has a 3D printer and they have this plastic kind of material, not steel. So that is it for this video. I have shown you how to use appearance and the render workspace. In probably my next few videos, I'll be showing you how to do a drawing from design and how to make a cup and a few more. That is it, so I hope everyone has a good day.